How to increase font size in WhatsApp iPhone. So if you want to increase your font size in your WhatsApp iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings application. Now after opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to go with accessibility section. Under accessibility, you need to scroll down a bit again, and then here under general, you will have per app settings. Tap on it and then tap on add app, and here you need to go and select WhatsApp. After that, tap on WhatsApp. Now here you will have the display and text size for your WhatsApp. You'll be able to increase the font size in your WhatsApp. So just simply go with the bold text if you want to, or large text. Tap on it and then turn it on. You can go with the bold text or the larger text. Just go and simply turn on, and that will only affect WhatsApp and not the other applications. That's how you can increase your font size in your WhatsApp iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.